Hello everyone, welcome to STEM with Chantel.
What is time? Time is a measure in which events are ordered from the past through the future. Time can also be represented through change, such as the revolution of the moon around the Earth. Time has a multitude of meanings and ways it can be used. In what ways can time be used? Time can be referred to as a period in history, such as the Dark Ages. Time is also used for what hour the day is, such as 9 a.m. or noon. Ways to tell time, 24 hours versus 12 hours clocks. You have two ways to tell time, the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock. The 12-hour clock. The 12-hour clock separates time into AM and PM. AM stands for ante-meridian. This is when the sun hasn't crossed the meridian line yet. AM is used to designate the time from 12 a.m. or midnight at night to 11 a.m. in the morning. PM stands for post-meridian, and is when the sun has crossed the meridian line. PM is used to designate the time from 12 p.m. noon to 11 p.m. at night. The picture to the right shows where in the world Microsoft Windows has the standard clock time for 12 hours. How to tell time on a 12-hour clock. Time is broken down in 60-minute intervals. In time, a quarter is 15 minutes. So a quarter past 2 is 2:15. Half past 2 is 2:30, and a quarter till 3 would be 2:45. The hour hand. The small hand on the clock signifies the hour. In the example to the right, time is 10:10. The minute hand. The large hand on the clock is called the minute hand. This designates what minute the clock is. Starting at 12, the minute is 00. Each hash mark on the clock represents 1 minute. Every bolded hash mark represents 5 minutes. In the example to the right, the time is 12:08. The second hand. The second hand is the fastest hand on the clock. It is always moving. Every full rotation of the second hand means 1 minute has passed. In the example to the right, the time is 12:08:03, or 12 hours, 8 minutes, and 3 seconds. How to tell time on a 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock starts at 000, or midnight. It progresses normally until 1300. 1300 is 1 p.m. From 1 p.m. onwards, you would add 12 hours to the current time on a 12-hour clock to get the military time. For example, 7 p.m. would be 1900 on a 24-hour clock. Time zones. A time zone is a section of the world that has agreed to have a similar time. This is usually based around longitude coordinates, but countries may decide to have a similar time to their neighbor also. Time zones are typically an hour apart from each other. However, there are several that can be anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes apart. The hour adjustments are based around UTC. UTC time zone. UTC is also known as Coordinated Universal Time. This is the standard time that the world uses to adjust their own clocks.
Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more STEM with Chantel videos, check out this playlist. If you want to know when JCPL puts out more content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell.